Alam niyo, maaaring nagkamali ang iyong asawa o yung isa sa pamilya ninyo. Ang tanong, are you willing to pay the price of taking the pain just to be reconciled back to your family? Alam niyo bang amazing kay Jesus Christ? Si God mismo, nung sabihin niyang mahalin niyong bawat isa, wala tayong maliwanag na model paano bang magmahal. But Jesus Christ Himself modeled such love. Ha? Paano? Sabi ng Diyos, for God so loved the world that He gave His only Son. He was willing to give the most precious person in His life, His Son, to us. At yung buti sana kung tumigil lang dun eh. He modeled to us sacrifice. Hindi yung yung pakinabang sa kanya, yung sacrifice. Parang pwede niya naman tayo sirain eh. He can exist, He is joyfully existing with or without us. Pero bakit kailangan niya pa tayong iligtas? He modeled to us love. Hindi ko maintindihan. Sabi ng Bible, husbands, love your wife just as Christ loved the church, that He gave Himself up for her. Wow! What a model! Itong pagmamahal, hindi pagmamahal sa asawa, I love you. Wala lang sasabi, I love you, hindi. Are you willing to give up yourself, your very self, for the sake of your wife? Handa mo bang ibsuko yung sarili mong comfort para sa asawa mo? Kaya yun din po. At ito po yung halimbawa ni Jesus. Kaya ano sabi naman ni Jesus? But I also expect submission from you. Wives, submit to your husband as unto the Lord. Just like the church submits to Jesus. Kaya mayroon pong pagmamodelo ang Diyos. At ang pinakamatinding modelo ng Diyos ng pagmamahal, He suffered on the cross for us. Para ano? Para mapatawad tayo. Para mabigyan tayo ng panimula. Yung maraming tao hindi na nagpatawad because they thought they're perfect. Yung asawa lang nagkamali, tinaboy na nila. Hindi na lalabigyan ng pagkakataon magsimula ulit. But I'm telling you, just as Jesus Christ forgave us and He modeled it to us, sana ho tayo rin po must be willing to do the same. But you know what? Hindi ho natin magagawa ang isang bagay kung hindi ho natin talaga naranasan pa ito sa ating puso. Kaya alam niyo po, sample lang ito, paborito ko ho yung tiyan ng bangus. Paborito din ng asawa ko yan. Pero pag kumakain kaming dalawa at iisa lang naman yung tiyan, sinusuko ko pa sa kanya. Mahal ko siya eh. Kasi yun, simpleng action. Pero what I'm saying is, palakihin mo pa yan sa iba pa namin mga decision making. Na hindi ka na magde-decide just for your own comfort, kundi iniisip mo yung pagmamahal ng Diyos sa asawa mo.